Well, we have been highlighting a particular phenomenon that's been playing out as far as markets are concerned. The fundraising activity by corporates, IPOs, that is the fresh issuance of companies onto the exchanges, and this activity has really picked up in 2021. Now, some of the reasons for the pickup in activity: number one, in primary markets, so many new IPOs are hitting the pipeline and getting themselves listed onto the exchanges, and also existing corporates are making an effort to go ahead and raise further funds. Now, some of the reasons: remember, it is a very buoyant equity market, and equity markets being buoyant always gives the expectations of higher valuations as far as the company itself or the stock itself is concerned, and also given the fact that the gush of liquidity is so high, there is a good chance for most of these fund issuances to get subscribed and oversubscribed quite meaningfully. We have compiled at ET Now a list of companies that have actually come out with either an OFS or a QIP, where the company has diluted a certain proportion of their shareholding to raise funds, either as capex or for debt reduction or for new business activity. And we've also compiled the list of companies that have come out with IPOs recently or are undergoing the process of IPO, where again a lot of these are either an OFS, where the company promoter typically does an offer for sale of his shares, dilutes his shareholding, raises money either to repay debt or to book some profit off the table. And fresh issue of gain, generally it's for further capacity expansions of plant as well as service facilities, and also QIPs for banks, especially something that you see as a capital buffer. So Godrej Property, this particular real estate major, has raised over 3,750 crore via QIP. The company told us quite clearly, company told ET Now that they would be using this particular fundraise to go ahead and acquire land parcels, and they would increase the proportion of JVs, as well as look out for straight away or look out for a buyout by themselves. AU Small Finance Bank, a 625 crore QIP. Bank of Baroda, 4,500 crore, one of the recent PSU banks that did quite well as far as the QIP market is concerned. Max Healthcare, 1,200 crore. India Mart, 1,100 crore QIP. Amongst the companies that went in for an IPO, significant number of companies have come in just in the last couple of trading weeks. Craftsman Automation, an 824 crore IPO. Laxmi Organic, 600 crore IPO. Kalyan Jewellers, a pan-India jewelry company, close to 1,200 crores. Suryoday Small Finance Bank at the higher end of the valuation spectrum, 580 crore. Nazara Technology, a gaming company with that is being backed by Rakesh Jhunjhunwala himself, at 580 crore. Anupam Rasayan, 760 crore. MTAR Technologies, 597 crore, and other names like Indigo Paints that came out with IPOs recently, close to 1,200 crore. A lot of these IPOs have come up with very strong subscription numbers, clearly indicating raising or rising investor appetite for the QIP pipeline, for the IPO pipeline as well.